How to fix issues with 3uTools virtual location and discover easier alternatives. Part 1. How to use 3uTools to change location. To begin, connect your iPhone to your computer and ensure that developer mode is enabled on your device. Also, make sure your phone is unlocked. Open 3uTools and navigate to the Toolbox tab. Click Virtual Location. Use the map to select your desired location, and the software will attempt to update your GPS position. Part 2. Troubleshooting common issues with 3uTools virtual location. Sometimes, using 3uTools virtual location may not work as expected. Here are some common problems and solutions. Map not loading. Check your internet connection and ensure that 3uTools is updated to the latest version. Location not changing or errors occurring. This issue often happens with devices running iOS 17 or higher. There is also a problem here that no error occurs, but the location change is unsuccessful. Try again. This time it says change location failed with error code 214. Open Device Manager on your computer using the shortcut Windows +R and check for driver issues. Check the drivers. If the following drivers have problems, the computer is incompatible. You need to change the computer to modify the location. If you have these drivers, delete drivers labeled 4 and 2 as they may be causing compatibility issues. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try using a different computer to modify your location. Part 3. Easier and more reliable alternative, MagFone Location Changer. MagFone Location Changer offers a simple way to change your iPhone location without any technical skills or jailbreaking. Follow the instructions to enable developer mode on your iPhone. Go to Privacy and Security. Developer Mode. Toggle developer mode on and restart your device when prompted. After reboot, confirm by tapping Enable in the pop-up window. This step ensures the app can interact with your device properly. Unlock your iPhone. Then, click Next in the MagFone app to begin modifying your location. Click anywhere on the map or use the search bar to select your target location. Once selected, click Start Move to change your iPhone's location. MagFone offers multiple movement modes to suit your needs. You can also control movement speed and zoom in or out on the map for precision. Use the joystick at the bottom left corner to control movement direction in real time. You can use apps like Google Maps to verify your updated location in real time. In 2-spot movement. Select 2 points, and the app will automatically create a route. In multi-spot mode, set multiple waypoints for a custom route. Jump teleport mode can instantly teleport to any chosen location with just one click. With MagFone Location Changer, you can modify your location effortlessly.